All right, I finished building this lumber rack yesterday. Let's see if it has held up. Oh, wow. Hey, I'm Wes and welcome back to my shop. So the other day I bought 200 board feet of maple at an auction and I really don't have a place to store it. My current lumber rack is almost full. It has a little bit of room, but it's not enough. But fortunately, I have quite a bit of real estate on my walls. I have 12-foot ceilings and I have lots of space. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a lumber rack that hopefully will be strong enough to hold all that weight. I am building this from some used 2x4s and 1/2-inch fir plywood. I started by cleaning up the 2x4s on the jointer and planer. Next, I cut the 2x4s to 3 inches wide on the table saw. And over at the miter saw, I cut them down to 3 feet long. Next, I cut 1/2-inch plywood into 4-inch strips. Then I cut them 16 inches long on the miter saw. I then added a 2-inch taper to them using a jig that I quickly threw together from MDF. I am going to dado the support brackets into the 2x4s. I use a scalpel to mark out what I need to cut away. I raise my blade to match the thickness of the support brackets. I started to nibble away at it on the table saw. I then realized that this method would take forever. Then I remembered that I have a new bandsaw. Using the bandsaw made quick work of this. Now for the dado in the middle, I just nibbled away at it on the table saw since there was only 6 of these. To assemble it, I just glued and screwed it together, and this should be strong enough. Man, those dados were nice and snug. There's just something so satisfying about this. I then added some 2-inch by 8-inch blocks to help hold the ends together and to keep them rigid. I then attached them to my wall using number 10 screws, and I made sure to hit a stud, not this stud. And then it was many trips up and down the ladder, and it's very important that you don't skip leg day at the gym. It looks good, guys. It is still there, holding up just fine. So that is it for this video, guys. I'm kind of sorry that I teased you there at the beginning. It's actually been a week since I made this now, and it is holding up just fine. I have no doubts that it will hold up for the lifetime that this wood is here. So if you're new to my channel, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you never miss when I upload a new video. And like always, we'll see you in the next one.